foil. And this, with this one, you are going to cure only 30 seconds again. We have, you know that we have another nail, so.
You say the last one first, or?
Huh? You know what? We're supposed to use the other one. No, the other one. This one, the third one. But the other one, which is this one.
Fine.
All right, cure for 30 seconds. Hey. Okay, so we wait for this one. Maybe we should do top coat, matte top coat on this. I'm gonna show you how to do really simple swirl matte top coat in a little bit, so you won't be confused. Yeah. So we're gonna do this foil. We should do this foil in that. It looks much better. You think? You think so?
Yeah, I like yellow on yellow.
Is offset now?
With a little flame. Don't do too much flame.
Right there. Right there. Right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
A little more. To
This one.
right.
Right here. Right here. I like that right here.
Okay.
Where is this one though come from?
From the other side. It's good. Take it like that.
I'm just curious. So when it cure really nice and properly, you can see that it suck right into the foil with the premium IHO transfer foil. You will never go wrong at all. And then of course, with the transfer foil bestie, it has two bestie. It has premium IHO transfer foil, and it has the tweezers. So it will does all the work for us. It's gonna stick my nail and my hand in there. I feel that it's not going to transfer my fingerprints in there. Good. I'm gonna do slow motion so you can see that. Like, ta-da. You get a little bit of the flame. I love it. Then you don't have to sit for half an hour drawing the flame. Come right off. Where my little LV? Here you go. It's right there. I got it. There you go. It's transfer back again. You know what? Because this one earlier, we didn't buff it. And he'll give me the third ones that I didn't buff. But hey, it transferred really perfect. Right there. It's only when I didn't press it hard enough. I know why I'm so picky about this. Because I'm going to put crystal on it. Transfer everything. And that is from this box. Number 109.
No.
The newest one, I think. Alright, so of course we'll go in with our condensed glue gels. What else do you want to do in this one? Just maybe a little bit.
Just a few.
Just a little bit on the cuticles areas, yeah?
And maybe a few stars.
Really thick density. Few star. Like really thick. You can see that it's so thick. So beautiful. All right. So of course we're also going to using a no white top coat. Floating on the top. This is the second step from our three-step methods to keep all your crystals stay in one place. I'm gonna have my really beautiful glow in the dogs. I'll put that one in there. Add some, it doesn't have green, so maybe I'll add some, how about yellow? Maybe a green. Do you know how excited it's like in the morning I see Mika. It's really beautiful. Really beautiful designs with this box, foil box. She's gonna show us more designs with this box too. Can't wait to see it. And put some beads on. I just don't want to cover the foil because it's so beautiful. Hello everyone, happy Friday. And I'm going to add some beads on. The best way to do with the beads is between your crystals. This beautiful designs, if you're doing for yourselves, congratulations. You're going to have so much fun with this beautiful designs with transfer foil, ombre, acrylic. If you are doing it for your wonderful clients, it's going to be upsells for your business when you are pricing this, because it's first you're doing your 3 techniques going on right here. Your ombre acrylic, and then yours apply transfer foil, and then yours apply crystal placement. So like $15 for this nails, if it's not more, because $5 for your ombre if you're doing it like that price, and $5 for transfer foil, and $5 for your crystal, at least, I mean minimum. So if you're having a client asking for these designs, you want to make sure you are consult with your clients and you can share with them. You can add crystal here, absolutely. One of Glitz brand ambassador, Dom, she did beautiful by hand painting and drawing and put crystal on. It's beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous as well. So I'm gonna stop at this one right here, and then it's really cool. What is that? Like a little summery face, or maybe bubble, whatever. Looks so cool. Okay, I'm gonna clear this one for 60 seconds.